Hey, it's Sean from P2R, and today I wanted to show you guys something we've been working on for a while here. It's a full-size, true-to-scale J-Series mock-up engine. Alright, so the reason for this project was to basically make swapping J-Series into various platforms a little bit easier. A lot of guys are always going to the junkyards and getting a crusty motor, trying to mock it up in their unique vehicle. So with this is only 18.5 pounds. It'll allow you to easily hold it up, fabricate. All the mounting holes that you would have on a J-Series block is all on here. And since it's actually true to scale, everything actually fits on here. I mean, we can actually bolt our 3-port exhaust header right on there. It fits up. We also made this as modular as we possibly could. You can actually take off the 2 bolts for the header, and we can actually switch it over to a single port exhaust. So one motor can easily be done for earlier gen and later gen. The only caveat here is that we've actually made it for the round bell housing, which is basically the 07 and newer J-Series. But any head platform that you want. With that said, like I said, everything could go on there. Intake manifold, we have spots for the alternator, your transmission, mounted brackets, half shaft, or any of that good stuff will fit right on this motor, right in the exact spot that it would be. With that said, I'm just gonna take you in and show you how to assemble this and show you what it's like. Everything hand tight. That way we have a little bit of wiggle room as we're trying to catch all the bolts throughout the motor. And at the very end, I'll tighten up all the bolts. have it, 2,000 horsepower J-Series engines right on my table. The benefits of obviously a sheet metal engine like this, it's very lightweight, 18.5 pounds. Again, we tried to make it as modular as possible. As you notice, this engine I did a 3-port exhaust, and this one I did the single port exhaust. It's actually just bolted on the flange. We have the overall shape of the valve covers here. That's what this curve up is. So if you wanted to know your overall height of what a J-Series will end up in your vehicle, this is your actual top height of your valve cover. Again, everything else bolts on there, from literally intake manifold, transmission, alternator, and we can always make more accessories if you guys are looking for more things to make this more modular. Like I said, all the bolts on every important thread hole is on these blocks. If you're a fabricator looking to do a custom J-Series, an application, custom header, this is the perfect solution for you. Or if you're just looking for a nice coffee table or an adult Lego set, there you go. Check out our website, powerrevracing.com, or check out any of our social media, Power Rev Racing, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.